Okay, Kels, are you going to school? Huh?
Yes.
Yes, okay. This is your bag, okay? Okay. Ate Presya, are you going to school? Okay. They are going to school now. Ayan. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Presya, wait for Kelsey. Wait for Kelsey. Huwag kang masyadong magmadali. Oh my God. Really, really snowing here. Kelsey, come on. Presya, wait. Wait. Ate, bag mo. Okay. Go. Go, Kelsey. Oh my God. Bilis. Oh. Okay, come on. Oh, yes. Slowly, ate, ha? Slowly. Oh my God. Kelsey, slowly. Oh my God, Kels. Oh, talaga. May pasok ba tayo? Ha? Oh my God, may pasok nga. Bye-bye, ate. Ate, bye-bye. Go, Kelsey, come on, let's go.
Bye.
Let's go here, Kels. Ayun yung play mo, oh. Hmm? Oh my God. You still have a school, Kels? Huh? Oh my goodness. Oh.